Hello everyone, today I'm going to talk about my topic, which is expose eight major biomes with their general features and how they may be modified by two local distributions. There are 8 major terrestrial biomes. First, tropical white forests, savannas, subtropical deserts, chaparral, temperate grassland, temperate forest, taiga, and Arctic tundra. First, the tropical rainforest biome has 4 main characters: very high annual rainfall, high average temperatures, high levels of biodiversity, and has lots of tall trees. The most important thing is that they have competitions for the sunlight, and it is also the whitest area in the world, and it is the home for millions of animal species. Then move to the savannas. Savannas is also recognized as grasslands. It is difficult for the vegetation types grows tall that grows under hot, seasonally dry climate conditions. Then third, subtropical deserts are characterized by low annual precipitations and variables. There's one more thing we need to know is that there are 2 kinds of deserts. One is a hot desert, which is usually mentioned by us, and the other one is cold. The plant in the hot desert is adapted with water storage. Then to the chaparral. Chaparral vegetation is composed by green plants, usually less than 2.5 meters. The weather of chaparral is always changing, which means the fire will occur often. Then move to the temperate grassland. Temperate grasslands are large devoid of trees because it has less rainfall than savannas. In winter, it's cold and dry, and in summer, it's hot and wet. We could consider grassland as between desert and forest. Then move to the temperate forest biome. It's one of the world's major habitats. It's cold in winter and is hot in the summer. But it's less cold than the taiga and less hot than tropical forest. The taiga biome is also known as a coniferous forest. This biome technically has short white summer and a long cold winter. It is the largest terrestrial biome in the Earth, and it is the coldest biome in the 3 forest biome. Then move to the last one. The Arctic tundra is one of the coldest of all biomes. In the winter, it's long and cold, while in the summer it's relatively cold. Not only plants cannot survive, but also the animals. It lacks of conditions for plants and animals. Now I move to the 2 distributions. 2 main distributions: climate change and industry activities. Due to the climate change, it can bring a disaster to all the animals and plants in biomes, like a growing storm. Another one is industry activities. As the industry activity growing, it means more pollution, which also kill both and the plants and cause extinct. Well, to sum up, we live on a same Earth. We share the place with other species. All the climate change and industry activities can be considered as a consequence of human activities. So we must consider the consequence of our actions to protect the biomes, to protect our home.